Supernatural Detox. Cleansing your liver and blood, the power of 4 mighty ingredients. Hello everyone and welcome to Life Well Live. In today's video, we will share with you a powerful natural recipe to cleanse your liver and blood. This not only helps boost overall health but also improves the condition of your liver and blood, two crucial organs for our well-being. The ingredients are very simple. 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, ginger, tomatoes, 70 milliliters water. First, let's explore the amazing benefits of these ingredients for your liver and blood. Beetroot, anti-inflammatory champion. First, we'll need a beetroot. Beetroot is not only delicious but also has excellent anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce inflammation in the body, enhance immunity, and make your body more resilient against diseases. Carrots, vitamin powerhouse. The second ingredient is a carrot. Carrots are rich in essential vitamins and minerals for your health. They provide a significant amount of vitamins A, C, and K, promoting cell growth, boosting immunity, and even benefiting your skin. The combination of beetroot and carrots creates an excellent opportunity to cleanse your liver and blood. Ginger, solving digestive issues. Next, add a bit of ginger to our recipe. Ginger is not only flavorful but also aids digestion. This means it helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently and eliminates harmful substances and residues through improved digestion. Parsley, cleansing from within. Next up is parsley. Parsley are not only a tasty fruit but also have the ability to improve appetite and remove excess salt from your body. This helps maintain the proper sodium levels in your body, reducing the risk of heart issues and high blood pressure. Parsley also contribute to a sense of freshness and relaxation, ensuring good mood and mental alertness. Tomatoes, weight loss and body cleansing. Lastly, we'll need some tomatoes. Tomatoes have low calorie content, making them a perfect choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain their weight. They are also packed with antioxidants, which help cleanse your body, remove excess fat, and maintain the health of your liver and blood. Now, let's mix all these ingredients together. Make sure to blend them well in a blender and add a little water to achieve the desired consistency and thickness. Once you've completed this step, strain out the pulp and use only the liquid. However, please remember that this is just a reference video. If you have any health concerns, always consult a doctor or a nutrition expert before making any changes to your diet. Health is a vital matter, and we always recommend seeking accurate and reliable support from healthcare professionals. We hope that this recipe brings significant health benefits to you. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more helpful health and nutrition videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.